Welcome to another insightful daily health tip, proudly presented by the compassionate team at Nyamutumba Community Hospital. Step into a world where life ignites with boundless passion as we embark on a crucial topic today: the power of regular testing for HIV, Hepatitis B, STIs, and tuberculosis. Join us on this journey as we unravel the significance of staying informed and safeguarding our well-being. In a world where health is paramount, understanding and monitoring our health status is crucial. Testing plays a pivotal role in assessing our well-being, particularly when it comes to conditions like HIV, Hepatitis B, sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and tuberculosis, TB. Neglecting these tests can have dire consequences, leading to severe complications and even fatal outcomes. In this video, we delve into the significance of getting tested regularly, as it empowers individuals to make informed decisions about prevention, seek appropriate care and treatment, and ultimately safeguard their health. 1. The importance of testing. Regular testing serves as a proactive approach towards maintaining good health. By getting tested, individuals can gain valuable insights into their health status, specifically for prevalent conditions such as HIV, Hepatitis B, STIs, and TB. These diseases often manifest without noticeable symptoms, making testing the only reliable method for detection. 2. HIV, unveiling the truth. Human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, remains a significant global health concern. Testing for HIV is crucial as it provides an individual with knowledge about their infection status. Early diagnosis allows for timely intervention, enabling individuals to adopt preventive measures, seek appropriate treatment, and protect both their own health and the well-being of others. 3. Hepatitis B, a silent threat. Hepatitis B, a potentially life-threatening liver infection, often goes undetected due to its silent nature. Regular testing can help individuals identify their hepatitis B status, facilitating early management and preventing long-term complications. Understanding one's infection status is essential not only for personal well-being but also for reducing the risk of transmission to loved ones and the wider community. 4. STIs, breaking the stigma. Sexually transmitted infections, STIs, remain a prevalent concern, affecting individuals of all ages and backgrounds. Testing for STIs is crucial, as it not only enables early detection and treatment, but also promotes responsible sexual behavior. Regular testing empowers individuals to take control of their sexual health, break the stigma surrounding STIs, and foster a safer and more informed society. 5. Tuberculosis, detecting the hidden threat. Tuberculosis, TB, continues to be a major global health problem, particularly in developing countries. Testing for TB is vital in identifying latent infections or active disease, as prompt detection ensures early treatment initiation, reducing the risk of transmission and preventing severe complications. Regular testing provides a proactive approach towards managing TB, safeguarding both individual and community health. Conclusion. In a world where diseases can lurk unnoticed, regular testing emerges as a powerful tool in securing our well-being. By proactively getting tested for HIV, Hepatitis B, STIs, and TB, individuals gain control over their health status. Testing allows for timely interventions, enabling the adoption of preventive measures, access to appropriate care and treatment, and the potential to improve outcomes. Embracing the importance of testing not only empowers individuals, but also contributes to building healthier communities. Let us embark on a journey of self-awareness and responsibility, prioritizing regular testing as a fundamental aspect of our overall health and well-being. If you enjoyed the video, spread the love and show your support with a thumbs up. And hey, don't miss out on the latest updates. Hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for future videos. Plus, feel absolutely free to explore our website at www.nchug for a treasure trove of additional captivating content.